Hi guys, so today we're doing our chemE 141 project and we have a drone and then we attached a soda bottle bomb, but for legal reasons we can't have an actual bomb, so okay, target's gonna get hit.
Oh!
Going down. Thermodynamics project. So we have open system, mass conservation, M equals to rho AV, and then we have energy input, energy output, heat loss, kinetic energy, and hovering equals steady state, and then requires continuous energy.
So for the drone to actually hover, we need a force balance between the thrust and the downwards force. Next.
So pretty much this is just a representation of the first law of thermodynamics with conservation of energy, as the chemical energy in the battery is converted to electrical in the motor, which powers the propeller and moves our drone via kinetic energy into the air and provides thrust. Thrust is represented by the equation T equals mv.
Okay, so efficiency equals energy output divided by energy input. And here are some examples of energy losses and operational limits.
Okay, so we got soda bottle reaction. This is closed rigid system and no volume change leads to rapid pressure buildup. And we have first law U equals Q minus W and Q equals 0 and W equals 0.
And this is the chemical reaction, and Hess's law is represented here.
As the reaction proceeds, moles and temperature increases, which also increases our pressure by a lot.
When P inside becomes greater than P max, the ball breaks.